How can I check my Social Security status?
Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about how you can check your Social Security status. It's a simple process, and having this knowledge will allow you to keep track of your benefits. Whether you're checking your contributions, disability status, or retirement benefits, this guide will be beneficial for you.
What do you mean by Social Security status?
When we talk about the Social Security status, it refers to a range of information regarding your contributions to the Social Security System, SSS. This can include your earnings history, your qualifying credits, your eligibility for retirement or disability benefits, and the estimated benefits you'd receive at retirement, disability, or death. In essence, it gives you a snapshot of your current and future relationship with the SSS.
Why do you need to check your Social Security status?
It's crucial to check your Social Security status for several reasons. First, you might need to confirm your eligibility for benefits. Second, checking your status lets you see if your employer is remitting your contributions correctly. Lastly, this will help you plan your retirement, as you'll have an idea of the benefits you can expect to receive.
How can you check your Social Security status?
To check your Social Security status, you will need to 1. Visit the Social Security Administration's website. Note that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, this was the primary method to access this information. 2. Create a My Social Security account if you haven't done so already. You'll need to provide some personal information to verify your identity. 3. Log into your account. Once logged in, you can view your Social Security statement, which includes your earnings record and an estimate of future benefits. 4. Navigate to the Benefits and Payment Details tab to view your current benefits and payment status. Remember, it's important to keep your login details secure, as the information contained in your account is sensitive.
What if you encounter problems?
If you're having trouble accessing your Social Security status online, you can 1. Contact the Social Security Administration directly. They can assist you with creating or accessing your account. 2. Visit a local Social Security office. Staff there can help you check your status or answer any questions you have. 3. Call the Social Security helpline. As of September 2021, the helpline was available Monday through Friday, but hours may vary, so please check the current schedule. That's it. Checking your Social Security status is an important step in managing your future, and it's a straightforward process. Remember to keep your account details safe, and don't hesitate to reach out to the Social Security Administration if you have any questions. Until next time, stay informed and take control of your benefits.